It is 1:45 p.m. Thursday afternoon, April 13th, 2023, LaGrange, Illinois. Looking north up the Indiana Harbor Belt Railroad main line. That was a southbound Union Pacific intermodal, perhaps coming out of their, I believe, Global 3 intermodal terminal north of here at Proviso Yard, Melrose Park, perhaps going to St. Louis and points west via Dolton, Illinois and Villa Grove, Illinois. And the second bridge ahead is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Chicago subdivision, also known as the East End and the racetrack. In addition to BNSF railway freights used by Metro commuter trains between Chicago Union Station and Aurora, Illinois, and Amtrak's Illinois Zephyr and Carl Sandburg in each direction between Chicago Union Station and the Q-Town, Quincy, Illinois on the mighty Mississippi River, and the California Zephyr in each direction between Chicago Union Station and Emeryville, California, with a connecting Amtrak thruway bus across San Francisco Bay to San Francisco, California. And last but not least, Amtrak Southwest Chief each way between Chicago Union Station and Los Angeles Union Passenger Terminal. A wonderful sunny 79-degree Fahrenheit afternoon here in LaGrange, Illinois. Again, Indiana Harbor Belt, Union Pacific Railroad, LaGrange, Illinois, over and out.